was not told or informed that I have to go through a transformation for my role. I took that own decision. But I was very excited when I was told that I'm playing tango. I studied in a military army school, La Martiniere. So all my life been trained like an army, almost like special forces or with a lot of discipline. It was a conscious decision of trying to show the physicality and the strength special forces people have. But I've tried. I have a great trainer, Rakesh sir, who has pushed me, and I feel very privileged that I could go through this process of training and becoming tango. Training is rigorous. It's gone through different protocols. So when I started filming or when I was offered this role, I was 72 kgs.
So initially he has to put on a little bit weight for this character. So every 20 days, 30 days, we keep changing his diet. So in that phase, someday he will look extraordinary, someday he'll look bigger, because we used to keep a high carbs diet, someday a low carbs diet, which we called carb cycling basically.
The last 4 days I've not had water because I had some body shots. We've been off salt, we've been off carbs, a little snappy right now, a little too touchy, reacting to small things, which is not my personality, but hormonal, you can blame it to the hormonal disbalances, emotional disbalances I'm going through. So yeah, you go through a lot.
He was pretty much committed and he did it.
For me, the first aspect when I start building a character, it's his physicality.
For the training part, yeah, he's doing this special training called time under tension, so which really hits your muscles and makes you more tired to build that muscle. And also plus his military training is going on, cyber time.
We wake up in the morning at 6, we do fasted cardio, then abs. We go home, take 2 meals, I go back, train, more cardio, then in the evening I go back and train again. Just training a lot of body weight, a lot of mobility, a lot of kickboxing.
He's trained one body part a day. Initially we started with the functional training and all those stuff, and then slowly we jumped it into proper weight training.
In terms of gym, like I said, it's like a wave. It goes down, it comes up. There are bad sessions, and that day you are really snappy and upset because you didn't give your best, you didn't perform. There are a lot of mood swings which you try to control. There are days I go home and I say, why am I doing this? Will this be seen? Will this get noticed? But I think that is scientific and natural. But I fight it back. I go back to my next gym session and work harder. There's a lot that goes in your heart, you know, because from 72, from eating 1000 calories to eating 4000 calories, eating when you're not hungry, stuffing food in your mouth.
खा के पक गया हूँ। हाँ। आज मुझे बर्गर मिला।
हाँ माशाल्लाह।
पोस्ट वर्कआउट मील राकेश सर ने अलाउ किया, तो मैं बर्गर खा सकता हूँ। हमेशा पहली बार खाना खाना इतना मुश्किल हो रहा है, बट माई हार्ट गोज आउट टू जितने भी लोग जो बॉडी बनाते हैं
जी हाँ,
और अच्छी फिजिक बनाते हैं, मेरा उन सबको सल्यूट है।
So basically that is meal 3 post gym. I don't even know what all that is. I have no clue how many calories this is. Should be around 700 or more. It's not easy. But then I shut my eyes and I remind myself that this was my decision.
As an actor, you can't keep eating every day, you know. You have to see, you need to have a time. So I told him, when you will come on the diet, you need to eat 6 meals in a day.
Like Johnny Depp says, my favorite line, I drew this card, it's my decision. I chose to be an actor, I chose this role, so I will go till any lengths to achieve in my capacity. Many people don't know I've trained all my life to be in the NDA and join the army. I've done all the CATC camps, NCC, but I could not, due to reasons, I could not join the army. My dad always wanted me to join the army. So I just think that life is a full circle. It's given me an opportunity to wear the uniform again, and this time I get to be Special Forces. Such a drastic transformation, it's the first time. It's like I feel I've changed my DNA, you know what I mean?